So what does prejudice mean? Prejudice refers to a negative opinion or judgment formed about someone or something, usually without knowing the person or having all the facts. It's often based on stereotypes or biases and can be related to a person's race, gender, religion, or other characteristics. Prejudice is often unfair and can lead to discrimination or unequal treatment. Her prejudice against people from different countries made it hard for her to form friendships. Let's look at more examples to help you understand how prejudice is used. His prejudice against women in leadership roles was evident in the way he spoke about female executives. The country's laws were criticized for allowing prejudice based on race and ethnicity. She worked hard to overcome the prejudice she faced as a minority in the workplace. In these examples, prejudice refers to unfair judgments based on characteristics such as gender, race, or social background. You might be wondering, when should I use the word prejudice? You use prejudice when you're talking about an unfair opinion or negative judgment made without sufficient knowledge. It's often used to discuss social or cultural issues, where people may treat others unfairly based on their biases or stereotypes. For example, if someone judges a person based on their appearance or background without knowing them, you can describe that as prejudice. The company worked to eliminate prejudice in hiring practices by focusing on the candidate's skills, not their background. Quick recap. Prejudice means negative judgment or opinion formed without proper knowledge, often based on stereotypes or biases. It leads to unfair treatment and discrimination of individuals or groups. You use prejudice when describing unfair opinions that lead to inequality or bias. Now you know what prejudice means and how to use it in different contexts.